Welcome to Fairy Moth Kate. This video is a review of the new spring pullout album Lily of the Valley. This botanical photo album is handmade with a gentle love for spring and the memories it brings. Let's take a closer look inside. The album is just as unique. You can flip through the pages like a book or pull them out into one long strip. The motto of this cottagecore album is truly spring-like, floral, romantic and warmed by gentle sun rays. Every detail reflects the beauty of nature and life, something that we all missed after a long winter. Each of your photos will find its place in a 6x4 frame. The album includes 17 frames, as well as a lovely envelope for storing photos or a small memorabilia. The fabric for this album was hand-dyed, and you can watch a DIY process in the short section of my channel. I found the perfect porcelain flowers beads. They look incredibly realistic, don't they? At least I'm sharing flowers from my own garden with you and inviting you to visit my Etsy shop to purchase this album. Thanks for visiting my little fairy corner. With love, Kate.